here today at the Rizal Monument. It's weekend, that's why there's a lot of visitors. It's either local or foreign. It is also the place where we can see the highest flagpole in the Philippines. The story behind the Rizal Park is the execution of Filipino patriot Jose Rizal on December 30, 1896. The park was officially named in his honor. This is the most awaited scenery here at the Alimento Park, the opening of the musical dancing